VeChain has seen an over 100% pump since the beginning of 2023 on until now. With that, where do we think VeChain is going next? Now, before we get started, I have to let you know there is a massive flash sale going on for all Trade Confident indicators. You can get up to $450 off, and I'll give you more details, but if you want to check it out now, links are in the description below. Let's get started. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to find VeChain. First up, we have the VeChain Emotional Index, and we can see that we've pushed up into greedy territory, and most often when we hit greedy, this is when we're seeing price moves back down. However, this is a massive pump. This is not following fundamentals, so we need to be paying attention with that and taking this with a grain of salt. Next up is the VeChain Whale Smart Money metric, and most often when we see values under -600 is when we're seeing price moves back down in the market, and we are well below that right now. We've passed -600 multiple times, and we did get small moves down in the market, but at this point we are just waiting for this massive candle to die down. I don't think there's any surprise that the volatility breakout detector is reading extremely high volatility on VeChain. Now, this coin is really small. It's about 3.24 cents per coin, so even the tiniest fluctuations in price can yield massive volatility. Next up is the VeChain major support and resistance levels, and we can see over here the only resistance cannot be seen on the metric, and I will be showing you that in the live chart, so stay tuned for that. Up until that point, we do have structure support right here at 2.845773 cents. Last but not least is the VeChain daily trade scanner, and I would be shocked at this point if we didn't see a sell signal coming up on this candle. As soon as this candle closes, I'm betting we're going to see that sell signal, and whether or not we continue up, we'll have to see on the live charts. But before we get into that, I want to let you know you can get the metrics you just saw me use across all 20 cryptocurrencies that we offer. On top of this, you're going to want to get access to our masterclass courses, including the Inner Circle Zoom meeting happening this week. February 23rd from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time, we will be going live, so if you want to get access and hang out with us on a live Zoom call, you can find the links for the membership in the link in the description. Just scroll down to show more, and it's going to be this link right here. Join membership, click that, and it'll bring you to our membership page. What you're looking for is the full access membership for $59 a month, and with this you'll get access to the Morning Brew overview, scalping trade calls, future forecast episodes, Wisdom Wednesday episodes, and access to that Zoom coaching every single month that I just talked to you. And don't forget about the trader EQ and the metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Now, we have seen a massive move up from VeChain, and right now I'm looking at VeChain on the 1-day time frame. The current price has dropped a tiny bit from this morning, but still, since the beginning of 2023, this is a massive run up. On the daily time frame, we're seeing the price versus while money flow has pushed up with the trend exhaustion at the top of its red section, and most often when we see these, especially if we get that sell signal that I was talking about on the metrics page, this combination of these three readings is a massive bearish sentiment. The 4-hour time frame gives us a much better resolution, and since the beginning we're getting great buy and sell signals here. And on this chart we're seeing price versus while money flow is very high, trend exhaustion is high, and has just pushed down a little bit. And at this point, due to the volatility of the coin, it's very difficult to say whether we're going to continue up or go back down. A better way to check will be on the 1-day time frame, and at this point, again, price versus while money flow is high, trend exhaustion is high, and I'm willing to bet on this weekly close right here. Again, we'll get those signs we're looking for the big moves down in the market. Now over here, right about 3.4 cents is that next structure resistance that we were looking at on the charts that was not showing on the metrics. This right here is where I'm truly expecting for the uptrend to end. And at that point, we'll likely be seeing moves back down, likely again around the 2.8 cent level. Back on the 1-day time frame, again, in order to predict the move back down, all I'm going to be looking for is for the price versus while money flow to be high, trend exhaustion to be high, and as soon as we see that sell signal, that could be a good place to exit VeChain. Now, I have to let you know there's a great way to be able to predict the moves of crypto without actually sitting at the charts, and what you're going to want to do is move right up here, click on the clock. If we click create alert and head over to TC top and bottom finder here, I'm going to be looking for a sell signal. Just set your alert name, click create, and then do it again for a strong sell signal. Click create, and you are good to go. Now, if we ever see a sell signal like these or a purple strong sell signal like we saw up here, it will let us know immediately. And we want to be paying attention to that because, again, especially as we begin to test the structure resistance with the price versus while money flow high, with the trend exhaustion high, As soon as that sell or strong sell signal pops, that's likely going to be the next big move down in VeChain. Now, I told you could get $450 off these indicators, and what you're going to want to do is click the link in the description, just scroll down, and it's going to be the second one right here. Click that. It'll bring you to the indicator page. In order to get the best possible price, you're going to want to grab the bundle pack right here, and it includes the trend exhaustion and price versus while money flow indicators you saw me use in this video, as well as 7 other ones for your use. Be sure to use code President's Day for $50 off, and the bundle pack will include a $400 off coupon for your use. Use that code to get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for less than the price of just this one alone. But if you do want to just get the TC top and bottom finder, I highly recommend using President's Day with that for a $250 off coupon. These are the best prices you'll see, and the sale ends February 21st at 5 p.m. Pacific time. So what are you waiting for? Grab them at the links in the description. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.